Hello guys, welcome back. So this year Samsung is shifting its focus towards foldables, and rightly so because the sales figures of Samsung's foldable phones are skyrocketing. The Z Fold 3 sold about 2.5 million units in 2021 compared to 700,000 in 2020. The Z Flip 3 performed even better at 4.6 million units compared to 1.1 million Galaxy Z Flip units. Both these phones make up 7.1 million shipments in total, or a whopping 61% of the total foldable market in 2021. In 2022, Samsung may launch not one, not two, but three foldables. Actually, the third is not a foldable but rather a rollable/slidable phone which Samsung has already showcased at CES 2022. These phones are expected to be launched in the second half of the year, probably at the same time in August, that is 4 months from now. The first two devices are of course the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. Sadly, there isn't a lot of information available regarding the rollable phone, but we do have some idea about the rest of the devices. However, this video is only about Z Fold 4. So without waiting any longer, let's get started. The first upgrade and the most significant one is the display. Samsung may be upgrading the current ultra-thin glass material for a better one called Super Ultra Thin Glass. This will be more tough and durable than the regular UTG, but don't expect it to compete against the phones that do not fold. What's more is that the Super UTG may make an appearance on the external display as well. Hope it's as strong as we think it is, or else it will be pretty terrible for Samsung. Aside from that, there will be improvements in cameras. Here I'm particularly referring to the under-display camera, and it's not just one, but two under-display snappers, presumably one for the main display and another for the cover screen. Another feature that Samsung may bring to both its display, I mean the cover and the inner display, is the Fingerprint Reader. It would be a double-sided one that would sit between the cover screen and the main screen, so you could unlock the phone from either using the same hardware. As ever with patents though, we would like to take this with a pinch of salt. Now coming to S Pen, obviously it's supported, but previous leaks mentioned S Pen slot would be made available for Z Fold 4. But now things are not looking good. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 may not get an S Pen slot after all. Maybe a magnetic option or a case is on the table, but these are just leaks and things may change for the better. As for the rest of the upgrades, battery will be bigger, the hinge will receive a redesign to make it lighter and more dust and waterproof, and also the phone will come with similar snappers to the Galaxy S22. Beyond that, we have heard about a 7.56-inch main screen and a 6.19-inch cover display, which would make for a very similar size to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. A Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus SoC to power this phone, and it will be cheaper than the previous foldable. So yeah, all in all, it looks pretty good. What are your thoughts? Do let us know via comments. And that is all for this video. Hope it was helpful, and as always, catch you in the next one.